हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आओ सीखें एट अपनी एकेडमी। In last video, we have discussed about pronouns and kinds of pronouns. We have discussed personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Now student, in today's video, we are going to discuss demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Before starting today's topic, let's take quick revision of our last work. Pronouns. What are pronouns? Words used in place of nouns are called pronouns. What are nouns? All the naming words are called noun. And what are personal pronouns? Pronouns which are used in place of the names of persons, animals and things are called personal pronouns. And what do you mean by possessive pronouns? A pronoun that shows possession or ownership is called a possessive pronoun. Now student, let's start today's topic. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are words that are used to point out people or things they stand for. Means to say, demonstrative pronouns जो हैं वो people and things को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ माई बुक. स्टूडेंट, हेयर दिस जो है दिस इज़ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस एंड सम मोर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज. ऑल दीज आर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस बिकॉज these words are used to point out things or people. Now student, next example. This is a gift for you. Here student, this is the demonstrative adjective because this जो है वो gift को point out करने के लिए यूज़ किया गया है. Now next, this is the painting I bought yesterday. Here student, this जो है it's demonstrative pronoun because it is used to point out painting. And in next example, these are all excuses. Here student, these is demonstrative pronoun. Here this and these, all words are used to point out things, so all these are demonstrative pronouns. Let's discuss some more examples. Fifth example, that was my friend who came from London last week. Student, here that is demonstrative pronoun here. Next example, these are the books which need to be returned. Student, here these word जो है it's demonstrative pronoun because it is used to point out books. Now next example, those are the boys who came to meet the principal. Student, here those is demonstrative pronoun because it is used to point out boys. Next example, this is the route which needs to be avoided. Here student, this जो है demonstrative pronoun है. And next example, this is my book and that one lying there is yours. Student, here this जो है demonstrative pronoun है. Now next, these are your bags. Student, here these जो है it's demonstrative pronoun. Students, we have seen that all these words, this, that, these, those, all these words are used to point out things or people, so these are demonstrative pronoun. I hope student it's clear to you now. Now comes on our next pronoun, that is interrogative pronouns. जैसा कि इसके नेम से ही पता लग रहा है. Now what are interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Question ask करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं student. Now which are interrogative pronouns? Student, what, who, whom, which, all these are interrogative pronouns. And student, we will discuss here some examples to understand it well. First is, what is your name? Student, here what जो है this is interrogative pronoun. What is the interrogative pronoun in this sentence? Next, who is calling me? Student, here who जो है it's interrogative pronoun because it is used for asking question. Now next third, what do you want? Student, here what जो है it's interrogative pronoun because it is used to ask a question. And next, which of these sweets do you want? Student, here which is interrogative pronoun because it is used to ask a question. Now next student, now next, whom do you want to meet? Here student, whom जो है it's interrogative pronoun. Next, who is the new? Here student, who is the new teacher in your class? Student, here who जो है it's interrogative pronoun. Next, what is your roll number? Here what जो है it's interrogative pronoun because it is used to ask a question. Now, which of these books have you read? Student, here which is interrogative pronoun. Whose textbook is this? Student, here whose जो है it's interrogative pronoun. Which is the shortest route to New Delhi? Student, here which is interrogative pronoun. Student, here we have seen all these words, means to say all these words means what, who, whom, which, whose. All these words are interrogative pronoun because all these words are used to ask question. Now student, it's also necessary to understand the difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. Student, remember a demonstrative adjective is placed before a noun and a demonstrative pronoun is usually placed before a verb. Remember student, demonstrative adjective जो है वो noun से पहले लगा होता है, means to say there is noun after the demonstrative adjective, and demonstrative pronoun जो है वो usually जो है verb से पहले लगाए जाते हैं. Now student, what is the difference between interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives? Student, remember an interrogative adjective is placed before a noun and an interrogative pronoun is placed before a verb. Here also student, you have to remember these things that an interrogative adjective जो है वो noun से पहले लगाया जाता है और जो interrogative pronoun है वो verb से पहले आता है. I hope student all it's clear to you. It's enough for today. I hope student वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो आप वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि ऐसी ही नॉलेजफुल वीडियो टाइम टू टाइम आप तक पहुंचती रहें. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय.